welcome back to Black Sheep Family and Autism. My name is Sahm. What's up, you guys? Welcome back to Black Sheep Family and Autism. My name is Sahm. If you're new here, hit the subscribe button, hit the notification bell, be down for gang. So today's video is going to basically be what are the best vitamins for my child to have autism or your kids to have autism. Setup was a little bit different as far as things. I thought I would go with it, seeing that I'm talking about Julian Jackson today. Disclaimer, let me go ahead and put this in here and go ahead and get that out of there, because y'all, I guess y'all be coming for people that don't put these disclaimers out there as if we're trying to give y'all medical advice. I'm not trying to give you any medical advice. What qualifies me to speak about this and speak about this situation is the fact that I have two kids with autism, not one but two. They're siblings, and they're Irish twins. Julian is 5, Jackson is 3, but he will be 4 come December, which is next month, y'all. So yeah, anyway, you guys, I'm gonna try to make this video as quick as possible. That way I can go ahead and get on with the content. I'm gonna take these out for y'all. Y'all probably see me wear these a lot because I'm trying to make sure the sound quality is A1, is on point. Y'all don't be watching nothing and be like, sis, why do it sound like you standing 20 feet from your camera? I'm gonna need you to fix that. Yeah, I'm gonna need you to fix that setup. We can see in the crib and we know that we should have better quality right now. So I'm trying to give y'all quality and quantity. So hold on. Alright, y'all, so this list is in no particular order. These medicines are in no particular order. No one is sponsoring this video. This is stuff that I buy my kids every month, and they're quite expensive, to be honest with you guys. But what I can sit here and say is I do see an improvement with Julian and Jackson or whatever, like far as with picking up new words, and like they up there it's clicking a little bit better. They're speaking a little bit clearer and things like that. So I will say that it does help. Will I say that all these things that I'm going to show you are necessary? No. But what I say all these, y'all worry about, so I'm going to show y'all. 5. Yeah.
This a kush trick.
I feel like there are, because I have seen what they actually have done for my boys. So yeah. This cup and things like this was actually not even planned. Julian just had his 5th birthday party, so that's why I got this, and I just was like, I need some juice, because talking to you guys, doing multiple videos, you get a little parched down there. It'd be like you need to get that together, man. First thing first, like I said, this is in no particular order. This is Cmos. This is what it looked like. I got this on Amazon. They did not send this to me. This is not paid for. This is not sponsored. But if you do want to send me some more stuff and you do want to sponsor some videos, my email is down there in the description somewhere. I'm just saying. But yeah, this is not paid for or sponsored or anything. But I find that if y'all don't know, Cmos is actually good for you. It has, I think you need like 102 minerals and things like that. This gives you 98. At least the Cmos tea, I know. This is Cmos gummies. It says that it gives you 56 of them. Not sure if kids need all 90 something. But what I liked about this is, y'all, I don't know if this is a black-owned company or black-owned brand. I don't know. They could just be marketing to our black stuff, just like that, you know. They love to do that, but yeah. I don't know, but I like the fact that it had a black little boy and a black little girl. Representation, I like that. Hopefully you didn't just do that because you know I was going to pick this over something else. because of representation. And I'm not saying that's what they're doing, y'all. What I will sit here and say is, for one, I'm the type of parent, I'm the type of mother that I'm not gonna give my kids something that I have not eaten, I have not tried, or anything like that. They don't taste good, y'all. Now, when your kids eat them, yeah, but they do not taste good at all. So, just keep that in mind. You might want to get this to your child and then give them some juice or give them a treat or give them something that you know that they're gonna wanna kind of wash that down with. 2 of these in the morning, it says 4 and up. I will go ahead and let you guys know now that I do not do it as recommended. I also give these to Jackson. Less than 30 days, or should I say, yeah, less than 60 days. Jackson gonna be 4 too, so I give him these, and then Jackson don't be want to be left out with nothing. Julian get it, he needed too. I was like, alright, man, I got you. The instructions say get 2, I might give you 1, but you get something too, sir. You right. Next thing is Elderberry. Y'all already know Elderberry. As far as with your immune system, immune support, and things like that. This is the brand that I was able to pick up when I went and got these today, I think. They didn't have no cheaper Elderberry, no different brand of Elderberry, but Elderberry itself has kept our kids from getting sick. What I will sit here and go ahead and say to you guys is, we're in November as the date I'm recording this, and what I wanted to sit here and say is, Julian and Jackson, I think I went a month without buying this, or a month or two, and Julian got real sick. Julian was needing his, inhaler every morning. He was needing breathing treatments at night and stuff like that. And I went back and I started racking back up. I can't say which vitamin is actually working, but I will say not giving them nothing helps them get sick. So this really do help your kids' immune system, y'all. These vitamins and stuff like that. I'm not just saying it. Clearly, they didn't send this to me. They didn't send this to me, and they didn't pay me to back this part of it. I just want to let you guys know things that will help your kids with autism, or just help your kids in general. But mine have autism, so that's what I'm talking about. This one, Omega, you find it in fish and things like that. I give this to them as directed unless it says that you have to be 4 to have. As y'all see, like I said, I'm not loyal to no brand. I'm loyal to my pocketbooks. Like, yes, y'all need it. I understand all that. But y'all be taxing, and I feel like y'all be doing what y'all doing. But this is 120. So, and you supposed to take 2 of them a day. I don't know why I'm not reading this stuff, y'all. Julian's supposed to take 2 of them a day. Jack's supposed to take 1 of them a day. So this should last me at least 30 days or something like that. Cause Julian's supposed to take 2 a day. That would give me a 60, a 60-day supply. So I had like a little bit over a month before I had to buy this again. It was like $8 or something.
This a cush track.
This vitamin D. This is my first time trying this brand, and I have seen good reviews on it actually. But this is my first time buying them or seeing them on vitamin D, y'all. If you're going to give your kids vitamin D, or if you're going to start taking vitamin D, make sure you eat before you do that, because this could make your child sick. Vitamin D, I'm just go ahead and keep it a buck, y'all. If y'all not new here, y'all already know I'll keep it a buck. Vitamin D is good for black people. You can get vitamin D from the sun and stuff like that, but if you don't go out enough and things like that, you could be vitamin D deficient. Most of the time, we are vitamin D deficient. So, I make sure I get this for the boys. Like I said, not paid for, not sponsored, anything like that. This is just something that I knew that I needed to get the boys. Lastly, but not least, because this is not all of the stuff that I be giving, y'all. Last but not least, multivitamin. So this this is multivitamin, as y'all see though, you got the probiotic plus probiotic. So normally what I get the boys is a probiotic plus prebiotic made by Ollie, and I get them like a regular multivitamin. But seeing that I could not find Ollie brand a probiotic plus prebiotic in one gummy, I got this one. I haven't got them no prebiotics because I could not find any prebiotics, and the only prebiotics I could find was this one, and it was $25. But it's not like this. It's by this company, but the one I'm talking about is yellow or whatever. You should be able to find on Amazon, Whole Foods have them sometimes and things, and places like that. And y'all know Amazon, Whole Foods is owned by Amazon, so that's probably why you can find it sometimes in that particular store. But whatever, I just went ahead and got a multivitamin and mixed with a probiotic. The thing about probiotics and certain antibiotics and things like that is you want to make sure that you are feeding your kids some stuff of substance, one, but two, it helps flush out their digestive system and their digestive tract and things like that, which a lot of diseases come that way. But a lot of kids that have autism, when they have a clean or clear system or whatever, and not even just kids with autism, just kids in general or people in general, when they have a healthy gut, the overall memory and thinking and things like that is better. So these are my top 5 things that I get them. Y'all, it does not matter what brand you get. If you see that it's working for your child, continue using that brand. Ollie brand was one that I was real big on, and then I'm just like, look, I need to save some money, and if somebody else produce a product or make a product that does the same thing, I'm gonna go with that. So yeah, you guys, those are the top 5 vitamins that I think any kid that's on the spectrum needs. Like, it's no question. To help build their immune system, build their memory, build their problem solving, and things in that nature, I feel like they do need vitamins, and I feel like it does help them. Coming from a mother that has 2 kids that have autism, I'm just saying, my oldest child has autism, is 5. We've been kind of dealing with this since he was going 1.5 2. He was showing signs. So yeah, you guys, that's one thing that I do. I hope these tips help you guys. If it did not help you, if y'all have other questions about some of the vitamins, just remember that I am not a medical doctor. I am not a medical science. I'm not trying to portray to be. I'm not saying that go get them. I'm not saying not to go get them, but I will sit here and say that I have seen an improvement as far as with their learning capability, and I also have seen an improvement with their immune system and not getting sick. And then we got the Rona just running rampant and running loose like the uninvited guests to a party. So we need to go ahead and nope. No. Go ahead and nip that in the bud. So yeah, you guys, those are my top 5 vitamins that I think every parent that has a child with autism need, or that's on the spectrum. Anyway, you guys, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Be blessed. Peace.